The clouds move slowly across the sky as trees flow gently with the breeze. The winds of life can be so cold when one stands seemingly alone. Though all around us some things die, life peeks through like sunshine, breaking through the darkest of times. The prayers of many upward fly like birds yearning to be free. Yet as waves they rise so bold. Surely we are not alone. As answers come to our surprise, bringing fresh new hopes to our lives. The clouds no more before our eyes.